Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosa Isma. I am from Elementary School Teacher Education, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. I'm here to present my article about development of CPS oriented RPP complex problem solving at elementary school motivator era freedom learning. Article selection and the first introduction, method, result and discussion, and then conclusion. Education in general is an absolute requirement for a country to be able to develop human resources to be more critical and creative in accordance with the times. This development will enable a country to develop its own country and achieve improvement to improve the quality of education. Learning can be said to be successful starting from the preparation of good, systematic, and complete learning tools. Two main things need to get attention and be prepared as well as possible, namely the syllabus of subject with learning times and plan and implementation of learning. The opinion from Priyatini and Masdarwati 2019. RPP is a face-to-face learning activity planned to carry out one meeting in learning. The opinion from Kurniawati 2021. The preparation of good learning tools can be start from making a lesson plan or RPP that is in accordance with the characteristic and needs of students. The development of lesson plan is carried out as one of the efforts to improve the quality of education and achieve success in the learning process. This is in line with research conducted by Mahlia Nurrahman 2020 that it is necessary to develop learning tools including lesson plan to improve the quality of education by making improvement in order to achieve a student-centered and creative learning process. Alternative can be used in development. This lesson plan can be used problem-solving oriented lesson plan or commonly known as complex problem solving or CPS. CPS is a learning model that led to solving complex problem in learning. RPP development is oriented toward the CPS can be applied to elementary school that have entered the driving school program with various rules or competence that the elementary school must have. Driving school can implement an independent curriculum, and their school will move other school in their ecosystem to become the next driving school. And the opinion from Prasetyono 2022. In the era of independent learning, students must be able to apply the Pancasila student profile, so it can be concluded the development of GPS-oriented RPP is appropriate to be applied in the motivating elementary school, which integrates the independent learning curriculum in its education system. The next is method and the types of research used in development research are in often explained by the types of R&D, research and development research. The development model referred to in the R&D model from the book written by Sari and Suswanto 2018, according to Vyagarjan, divided into four stages in 4D. Um, there are four stages in Monoto 2020, namely define, design, development, and disseminate. The purpose of this development research method is to change or develop within a certain period of times. Sepiosari 2018. In the research, we will develop a lesson plan to oriented complex problem solving or GPS, or it can be called RPP GPS. The implementation of the main step in this research is just to develop need in the field. The object of research in this study in the lesson plan or RPP class 2 times 1 sub times 4, living in harmony in society in social, can class 4 times 4 sub times 2, good and service in economy, class 4 times sub times 2, the beauty of diversity in country in culture. The subject of this research are expert and practitioner. The expert involved are lecturer, supervisor, and school principal. And this is a figure development state uh, state of developing learning implementation plan or RPP based on complex problem solving or CPS. The next is result and discussion. And the defined stage is carried out with several steps, namely teacher RPP analysis and development. Results took from several regency in Central Java, namely the motivating elementary school in Sragen Regency, Klaten Regency, and Grobogan Regency, namely is elementary school Bukuran 1, elementary school Islam Al Uswah, elementary school 1 Panunggalan, and elementary school Muhammadiyah Rabani. Sample of lesson plan were taken from each primary school, driving the analysis of the learning model, learning objective, and learning step, and then assessment. The result of the RPP analysis show that the basic competence in the RPP used by the teacher are not in accordance with the applicable curriculum, and learning is still teacher-centered. So, with the result of this analysis is can be conclude that the RPP need development of RPP, namely with RPP oriented, the result of the RPP analysis shown that basic competence in the RPP used by the teacher are not in according with the applicable curriculum, and learning is still teacher centered. So we can result analysis can be conclude the RPP learning that development or RPP is with RPP oriented complex problem solving at our GPS in according with the applicable curriculum. At the development stage, the first step is to determine the format of the lesson plan. This stage give the result that the RPP format complex problem solving or CPS chose to the rules of the independent learning curriculum, namely by using a one set lesson plan format containing in identity, basic competence, learning objective, learning steps, and learning assessment. The next stage in the stage of the validity of the lesson plan, in which the validity of this lesson plan in validity by practitioner to practitioner, namely the principle of elementary school Bukuran 1 and elementary school 1 Panunggalan. First is the aspect of format. In the aspect of the RPP format, the results show that the clarity of the distribution of material in the RPP is quite good. In the RPP GPS, the teacher understand the distribution of material to be taught in the learning process. This is in line with Tambunan and Barasa 2019 that the lesson plan must be clear and systematic. And the layout of the GPS lesson plan got good result in accordance with the layout rules that apply in the curriculum. The types and size of the letters in the RPP GPS get good result and are appropriate both aspect of language. The correctness of grammar in the RPP GPS use is quite good in accordance with the applicable grammar rules. The simplicity of the sentence structure got quite good result, namely the sentence structure in the GPS lesson plan was simple, but there were still sentences that were not yet simple. In line with Minton 2021, the introduction or direction in the GPS RPP get good results, so that in this RPP is can provide clear direction and instruction in carrying out the learning process. The communicative nature of the language use good result, namely in the RPP lesson plan using communicative language in teacher learning. The three content aspect in this aspect, there are 7 assessment items, namely the complete completeness of the component of the GPS RPP, getting very good result. So the GPS RPP has a complete component in carrying out the learning process. The truth of the material got very good results. So the material is in the GPS lesson plan, which is accordance with the material taught in learning. The suitability of learning object, indicator, and KD or basic competency get good result is in accordance with uh, applicable rules and in accordance with the rules of learning achievement. The result of the test questionnaire that has been filled out by teacher from elementary school Bukuran 1, elementary school Islam Al-Uswah, elementary school 1 Panunggalan, and elementary school Muhammadiyah Rabani can be concluded that the GPS RPP has met aspect or indicator, namely the implementation of the GPS RPP. The RPP aspect and language in all this motivating elementary school. It is easy and fun to implement RPP for education and student, so that this GPS RPP can be said to be effective RPP and facilitate the process of implementing learning. According to Kurniawati 2021, a good lesson plan is a lesson plan that can make it easier for teacher to implement. RPP that is easy to implement can also make it easier for a student to accept learning material. So Ningsih 2019 aspect of this trial can be categorized into three aspects, namely aspect of implementation, aspect of lesson plan, and aspect of language. The matrix table of implementation indicator explain, and that's elementary school Bukuran 1, elementary school Islam Al-Uswah, elementary school 1 Panunggalan, and elementary school Muhammadiyah Rabani. Learning step can support the achievement of a learning object can be achieved actually through clear learning step, providing problem-oriented to participant, student development, problem-solving oriented learning. The RPP indicator matrix table so that's from 4 motivating elementary school, namely as elementary school Bukuran 1, Islam Al-Uswah, Panunggalan 1, and Muhammadiyah Rabani have used GPS oriented RPP. Easy to ask GPS oriented RPP. RPP GPS is easy to understand and easy to apply to students. The learning step can simple and the process of implementing learning in the step there is a problem arising from explain the problems arise when a person has a goals but does not know how to achieve his goals. Silwana 2021. In the addition, according to the RPP GPS, is so easy to implement in elementary school Bukuran 1, Islam Al-Uswa, Panunggalan, and Muhammadiyah Rabbani explain that the GPS RPP has innovative learning activity step in implementing learning to students. The next, the language indicator matrix table show that the GPS RPP can use the language that is in accordance with the IED, and according to elementary school Bukuran 1, Islam Al-Usra, Panunggalan, and Muhammadiyah Rabbani explain that the GPS RPP had used communicated can easy to understand language. This is in line to Kayatarno 2021. That's a good learning implementation plan has a language that is in accordance with the rules and is communicative in the implementation of learning. In the disseminate state, namely the promotion of the GPS RPP in these states, there are two steps. First, the use analysis is seen from the function of the RPP GPS, which can be used for the field of elementary school education in carrying out the learning process. RPP GPS can be used to make it easier for a teacher to carry out the learning process with RPP GPS. Can also improve the ability of students' skill in solving problems and looking for more complex problems. This corresponds to Glasky and Elmster 2020 in solving problems will improve the skill of students. The next step is the selection of promotional media using PowerPoint media, which will be delivered through technical guidance or to elementary school teacher. The next is conclusion. Based on the research data, it can be concluded that the development of a learning implementation plan or RPP oriented to complex problem solving or GPS can support the achievement of learning objective easily through a clear learning step, providing problem orientation to student, developing solving oriented learning, organizing a student for investigation, implementation of investigation. GPS lesson plan can encourage students to develop and present to result of interesting encourage student to analysis and evaluate the investigation process in the school and culture economy, put in the social and culture economy. Of the four Motivation Elementary School, namely Elementary School Pukuran 1, Elementary School Islam Al-Uswah, Elementary School Wan Panunggalan, and Elementary School Muhammadiyah Rabbani have used GPS oriented RPP. That result is the GPS RPP is easy to ask. GPS oriented RPP easy to understand and easy to apply to students. The learning steps can simplify. The learning steps can simplify and the process of implementing learning. In addition, the GPS RPP has a step for innovative learning activity in carrying out learning to students. Okay everyone, this was my presentation. I'm sorry if there are many wrong words because I'm not good speaking English. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.